especially how to open your tripod and make it stand. Please, if you have the 20-inch, it's different from the 18-inch and it's different from, I guess, the 16. So you want to watch this video. Hey, what's up people, welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Nima. If you're new here, I post all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY, but today's video is different. I guess it's in the lifestyle category. So today I'm going to be doing a ring light review and setup. I got the Neewer ring light, the 20-inch Neewer ring light, and it's what I'm using right now. You're going to see the difference in the following clips because I'm going to be setting it up, so I'm not going to be using this light. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here I have the ring light. This is what it comes in. This bag, it comes in a big box. So inside you get your ring light that's in this bag, and then you get these two boxes with it. So inside here you have your tripod, I'm going to take in a second, and here you have all the wires and connecting cables. In the first box you get your another small box which has all the batteries and like your remote and the cords, so I'll explain in a minute. So this is a dual charging ring light, so you can plug it in or you can use batteries. It's whatever you want. So here you get your cord in case you want to plug it on the wall. In this box you get your the thing for charging your batteries. So you put two batteries here and then you plug it in, and here are your two batteries. Then you get this mounting thing that goes in the ring light that I'll show you in a minute, and then you get your phone holder. So this is the camera holder and this is the phone holder. So yeah, and then you get your remote. So this is the Bluetooth remote, so whenever you want to record you just press record, and whenever you want to stop you just press stop. Finally you get your tripod. So this is what it looks like. Now this is what made me film this video, because when I got this tripod and I took out everything, I didn't know nothing, like how to set it up and stuff, and it's no instructions. The only instructions you get is how to connect the ring lights, not how to open this or how to adjust everything. Finally you get your ring light. So this is my ring light. Yep, I know it's huge. I got the 20-inch because why not? I mean, go big or go home. It's super big. I didn't know it was going to be this big, but works even better. So this one is different from the 18-inch where you get your two attachable like plastic things to adjust the lights. This one does not come with that. It has everything built in, so you can adjust the warmth, and here you have your you got your buttons up here, so you got your warmth and your temperature, so you have everything here instead of having the three things that you have to take out manually. That's why I got this one, and the bigger the better. So here you have your two knobs. So the first knob you get here is to adjust, like if you twist this like all the way, it loosens up. So this is what makes the ring light like move, like go around, not 360, just back and forth. Like, let me show you. So you twist it like that, open, and sometimes it just comes out all the way. So, and then you, yeah, I know it sounds like it's about to rip out, but yeah. This other knob, this is actually the one that you have to connect to the tripod, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So when you adjust this, there's a thing in here that like opens. You open it outwards and then you put it on your tripod, and then you close it so the thing can go inwards and like make it super tight. So now to the tripod. Here we have the tripod. Now I'm gonna do the opening, which took me hours to really figure this out. I had to go on YouTube and find a video, and all the videos I found, they had different tripods. So I was like, oh my god, but it's pretty much the same thing. Let me adjust this. It's pretty much the same thing, like how you open them. So here you get again 1, 2, 3 knobs where you have to twist. So the first twist, this first knob, it just, yeah, they come out, but yeah, is to pull that up like whatever length you want. This is just for the first part. And the second knob here, when you twist this one, is you're gonna pull out the second part. So there's the first part right here and the second part, so you want to adjust however you want. Then it goes out like pretty long, plus again you have that one. So yeah, this is a really long tripod. It's all about twisting and twisting and twisting. So now the opening part, how to make this tripod actually stand. So there you have this knob. This is what it does. You open this, God, you twist it. I just like take it all out because yeah, so yeah, I mean, you don't have to, but for me, it's in my way, so I just take it all out. Then after you open that, now you have loosen the tripod part. So you have these 3 stands here that come out. So oh my god, yeah, like they come out like that. So they're like put in together. What you have to do, like, to pull them outwards, and you have to be really careful or you might do something else. So yeah, and then you pull it, just pull it, and yeah, it goes down. So wow, it didn't work like this for me yesterday. But yeah, so you gotta pull it to however you want your tripod, like how wide or like how narrow you want it to be, and you pull it. Does it go up? Yeah, if you pull it up. So yeah, it's just the pulling part. So yeah, the other tripods, I mean, if the 18-inch, they open outward, like all these things are like folded from the inside, so you pull them from that and then all the way down. This one's different, so this one just goes up and down. So what I was trying to do when I got this ring light, I was actually trying to like pull them from here so that they can go outwards like how other ring lights are, but no, this one's different. So if you have the 20-inch, this is how you open it. I'm gonna do this one more time. So here we have it closed, and you have your knob here. Tighten, loosen the knob first, and then pull them from the bottom. Pull these 3. You figure out how to pull them. Just take them out first to get your shape or where you grip, and then just pull it outwards. And then you can push this one to make it however big or like small you want the base to be. So there you have your tripod. Now I'm gonna put it on the ground and put the ring light on. Okay, so now that we have our tripod standing, we're gonna put the ring light on it, and this is the only thing they give you instructions to do, how to figure out how to open these knobs and how to put it here. The rest, the tripod, they don't give you no instruction about it. But yeah, so here you have the ring light. As I said before, I showed you these 2 knobs. So you're gonna make sure this thing is open. The bottom knob, you make sure the bottom knob is open all the way, and then you put it, just push it down. I'll move closer so you guys can see. Now we have the ring light. I'm gonna put it on now. So you again open that thing all the way and then push it down, and now you have your ring light set. Now you want to tighten this up so it stays in place. Yeah, I know this is way skeptical. I know it's not gonna fall. It's super sturdy and super still. Now again, this one, as I said, it makes your ring light go back and forth. So pull it back here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull that top thing knob, just rotate it around. Oh my god, it's so tight. Yeah, just loosen it, and then you're gonna make the ring light go back and forth. So all the way down, however you want it, the angle to be, and then just tighten it up, and there you have your ring light set. Just make sure everything is tight, so that way, like, you're more on the safer side. That knob is tightened, that one is tightened too. We have that one is tightened too, and the bottom one, oh my god. Okay, and the bottom one down there, it's tightened as well. Okay, so now that you have your setup going on, this part here is where you're gonna install that square thingy at the bottom. So you're just gonna take it all the way. So you just slide it like that, and then it'll be loosened up. And then this thing that I showed you at first, the first twist thing, is what makes this one tight and stay in place. For a better grip, just you can take it off. This is what I did. I just took it all off and then put it first on its own. So I just put it there on its own, and then I tighten it all the way up so it loosens, and then tighten it all the way up so you can see it does not come out. Now then that you have that on, you want to take the rest of the piece and mount it on. Just twist and twist to your desired sturdiness, and there you can just adjust this thing by again twisting that cute thingy right there. You can adjust that according to your desired preferences, and then tighten up. So now you have your camera mount set. If you're just using a camera, you are good to go. Just put your camera. I don't know, I don't have a camera, I don't use a camera, so I don't know how it works from there, but yeah, I guess you just figure it out. And this thing twists also, I don't know why, but it just twists all the way. But yeah, if you only use a camera, you're good to go from here. If you use a phone, keep watching. So this is your phone holder. It's just pretty simple. It goes like sideways, and this is the knob to twist. So if you loosen that one, it moves. So if you want your phone in that angle, if you want it straight like that, you tighten it up. So now we have that hole right there, so this is where it goes. So you want to just put it there, and then again twist as usual. Just twist. This thing is all about twisting and twisting. So you just twist till you feel okay, this is what I want. So it still moves, but I guess it's just I haven't tightened that one. So yeah, there you have it, super sturdy. So there you have your phone mount. It extends. So yeah, if your phone is big or you have a cover case on it, it still extends. If you want to record the width angle, you just twist the knob at the back that I showed you. You twist it, and then this thing moves. So you put your phone, hold it like that, tighten it again, and then you put a phone in a wide angle. So this is what it looks like at the back. You got your two things where you put the batteries if you want to use it. If you don't, use the cords they give you. So this is the charging cord, the power supply, if you don't want to use the batteries. So you just, I mean, I'm sure you'll find this out, but you take that thing and then you plug it in there, and then that part goes to your power supply, which I'm sure is basically known. So yeah, okay, so my ring light is powered. You don't have batteries yet, I'm just using the power supply. So yeah, you're pretty much set, and now you're ready to turn it on. So this is what it looks like when you turn it on. You have like your two knobs at the back here, so they're pretty much like self-explainable. Like they have labels, names. The one that says warmth and the other one says cool. So it's the temperature. If you want, you can just like, you know, increase it. So this is the lowest setting on the warm side. This is the lowest setting, and this is the highest, so it's more orangey. And then on the cold side, this is the maximum on the lowest side, and this is the minimum on the cold side. So if you don't want like the warm tones, just take the cold all the way down, and then here you have your orangey look. And if you want to be too cool, just take it all the way up. So that is it, you guys. Now I have my ring light on, and it's bright. As you can see, it's different from the previous clips, but yeah, so now I have my setup already. So good luck with whatever you're doing, whether you're making videos, whether you do beauty, whether you just do photograph, whatever it is that you do, good luck with it. So again, this is Nima. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if this helped you, or if you're like me, you didn't know where to go. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.